I wish someone told me at 25 that it's so easy to make money online. Guys, when I was 25, I was working a 9 to 5 job, right? I thought the only way to make money is by working a 9 to 5 job, going to university, working your way up through your job and trying to get a high paying job so you can actually live a more comfortable life, right? But no one told me how easy it is to make money online. No one told me that you can make money online and put in less effort than you are in your 9 to 5. No one told me this, right? And for a long time, I've been working my 9 to 5 job. I'm 29 years of age right now. So only 4 years ago, I was working my 9 to 5 job. In fact, I was working my 9 to 5 job 2 years ago, and then I decided to take the biggest risk of my life. I quit my 9 to 5 job, I packed my bags, I was living in the UK, and I moved to Dubai. This is where I reside right now. And I've been here for nearly 2 years. Life has been amazing. I work for myself. I run a 6-figure online coaching business. And up until now, well, up until 2 years ago, I thought the only way to make money is through a job. In fact, it was that in my head that when I moved to Dubai, I was trying to look for a job because I thought this is the only way for me to actually secure my stay here. But obviously, when I didn't get a job, I tried many different places. I didn't get a job. I didn't focus on my online business, and I grew it to what it is now. And then I started an online coaching business, and that now makes well over 6 figures a year, right? So my life has completely changed, right? But no one told me this at 25, that life can be this easy. No one told me at 25 it's this easy to make money online. Now, when I was making money online at 27, that's when I started properly and doing it full time. Initially, it was difficult, right? Because I did not know how to do it. I thought it was very difficult. I did not know what I was doing. And when I then hired a mentor, everything changed, right? Because now I'm taking advice from someone that's actually done it before. So I hired a mentor, I paid a little bit of money, hired a mentor, and I learned so much information, so much knowledge, which I then implemented and I completely changed my life from, right? And I realized from that point, okay, cool. If I can do this, so can so many other people, right? So no one told me at 25 it was easy to make money online. So my goal now is to try and help as many of you guys, right? So you might be watching this in the same position. Maybe you're 25, maybe you're 30, maybe you're 40, but you might be watching this in a position in your life, or maybe you're working a 9 to 5 job, maybe you're stuck in life, maybe you have bigger aspirations, maybe you wanted to be told this at 25, because essentially I'm making this video for a younger version of me, right? But that doesn't necessarily mean a younger version of me. It can mean if you're older, it can mean if you're 30, 35, 40, or it can even mean if you're like 20, right? The point is, this video is for all the people who think that it's impossible to make money online. This video is for all the people that think it's very difficult to make money online and the only way they can make money is through a job, because that's how I thought, right? I thought the only way to make money is through a job. And once I started making money online, and once I started making a lot of money online, it really hit me. It was like, why is so many people working a 9 to 5 job? Because it is so easy for you to start an online business, make money online, and you can make so much more than your job. Now, obviously, this is my business now. This is what my coaching business is about, where I work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, right? Now, if that does sound interesting and you do want to start an online business and you need some guidance, you need some help, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and basically I'm going to show you how you can start a business called the One Skill Consulting, and you can literally start this business and make 10K a month, right? And it involves one of your skills that you already have, selling it to high ticket clients, and you would charge $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000, which essentially means that you just need 1 or 2 clients a month to make 10K a month, right? Now, if you are interested, as I mentioned already, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. Now, all I want to say, right, is that if I knew this at 25, I would be so much further ahead in life right now. Not to say that I'm not so far in life right now already. I have made it so far, especially in only 2-3 years. But when I look back at my life right now and I think, okay, at 25, if I knew the information I knew now, man, I'd be so much further ahead in life. And that's why it's a scary thought. And that's why I'm making this video. Maybe you're 25, maybe you're even older, right? The point is, this video has come to kind of let you know it's not hard to make money online, especially if you invest in mentorship. So if you're in a position right now where work is hard, I know that, I've been there. Where you have to wake up early, I've been there. Where you have to go into work, sometimes do a lot of manual labor, I've been there as well. Or there's work politics, I've been there as well. Or you don't like your boss, I've been there as well, right? I've gone through all of these things and I know how difficult it is. And that's why I was like, you know what, I really want to change my life. And I did what a lot of people won't do, which is try, right? I invested in myself. A lot of people are scared to invest in themselves. It's quite scary when you think about it, right? A lot of people are scared to invest in themselves, but are brainwashed to believe that paying 9 grand a year for university is worth it. Like, how does that make sense? You're learning from people that are not doing what you want to do. Find someone that you want to be like, invest money, and you'll be like them. It's literally as simple as that. Find someone that you want to be like, invest money with them, and learn from them, and you'll do exactly what they're doing. That's why I say, like, mentorship is so, so important, but it's also important finding the right people, because you don't want to invest in anyone, right? So a lot of people invest in me because I've done it in a very short period of time. And I've quit my 9 to 5 job recently. So it's only been 2 years ago since I was working a 9 to 5 job. So a lot of people like to work with me because I've been on both sides quite recently. And I've had success in my online business, making well over 6 figures a year. But also because I've moved to Dubai, right? A lot of people want to move here, and people love living here. It's a safe country. And it's just amazing. I mean, honestly, I can't explain how amazing it is to live in Dubai, right? So that's why a lot of people invest in me, and I've got some really, really good results for a lot of my clients, right? If you guys do want to see any testimonials, they are on my website, which is down below. The same button to basically book in a call with me. So again, if you do need any help starting an online business called the One Skill Consulting, where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis, where you can sell your skills and knowledge to high-ticket clients, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on the call and see exactly how I can help you. But this video is essentially trying to show you guys it's not difficult, man. It's not difficult. I look at it like this, right? If I can do it, why can't you? If I can do it from a small town in London, I took a big risk, I worked my way up, I started on my online business, I put so many hours into it, I learned from so many people to get to where I am today. Why can't you do it? And it is so easy. Like, a lot of you guys are probably making what, 2 grand, 3 grand, 4 grand a month. And I'm telling you guys now, to make 2, 3 or 4 grand a month is so easy, especially with the online business. You can make that in a day, in a couple of days, in a week, right? Why are you going to spend 40 hours a week working for someone else to make 2 grand or 3 grand? It's so crazy to me. And you know what? You won't understand this until you start an online business, because people that do business think completely differently. For us to make 2 grand, 3 grand, it's very simple. We just got to take a certain amount of action. And for you guys, you've got to spend a certain amount of time working to make 2 grand or 3 grand. That's why a lot of you guys are very frugal with your money. You don't spend money like that. You try to hold on to it because you've got time attached to money. And the reason why business owners and entrepreneurs spend so much money is because it's not about time. It's about, okay, cool, what action do I need to take? That's why it's a whole different mentality when it comes to making money online and making money in general, right? So a lot of you guys might be holding on to 2 grand, 3 grand, 4 grand of savings. And a lot of you guys might be saving that for a rainy day. You might be saving up for, I don't know, you've got something coming up. How can you live your life saving 2, 3 grand or having 2, 3 grand in your savings, right? That's dead. Like, don't you want to have, well, I don't really believe in saving in general, because I feel like you should be able to spend as much as you want and then save by accident, right? So for example, I don't actually save money. I spend money however I want to spend. And any money that gets left over, I guess you can say it's saved, but I don't go in the intention to save money. I spend what I want to spend. I live life how I want to live, and whatever's left ends up being saved, right? Or if I need to make more money, I just make more money. It's literally as simple as that. So it's not very difficult. I don't save money. I don't believe in saving money, and I don't think you guys should either. It's kind of been brainwashed onto you. And if you understand how inflation works, saving money isn't how it works, right? Saving money will basically mean that you're losing money. You either need to spend money, put it in investments, that kind of stuff. So if you've got like 3 grand or 4 grand in savings, my best advice, hire a mentor. Spend some money on a mentor, right? Learn from him, and he can teach you what it is that you need to do so you can essentially fast track your way, make money online, quit your 9 to 5 job, and live a better life. Guys, my life has completely changed. I live in Dubai. I work when I want, where I want. I'm right now in Dubai Hills, right? So you can probably see the mall behind me. But it's amazing. It's nighttime right now. It's not cold, right? It's warm. And I'm just enjoying it. Everyone's out. Everyone's having a good time. And it's just like, it just shows me that when I was in London, around this time going outside, it's a bit, I won't say scary, but it's unsafe. And I couldn't live the life that I wanted to in London. So that's why I moved to Dubai. That's why I live here now. And I want to show you guys how easy it is to make money online. You guys can literally see my whole YouTube history. I was in the UK. I used to talk about different ways to make money online until I stumbled upon the best way, which is the way I've talked about right now, called the one skill consulting, where you essentially sell one of your skills to high ticket clients for 2, 3, 4, or 5 grand. 2 clients a month makes you 10K a month. Easy as that. Honestly, it's very easy. And again, if you guys do need any help with that, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, or alternatively, if you want to know this business model in depth, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.